Click on the link below to get price. The Apple 27 inches studio display with standard glass and tilt-adjustable stand, renewed, is a remarkable piece of technology that blends stunning design with exceptional functionality. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is the sleek aesthetic. The display showcases Apple's signature minimalist style, featuring an aluminum chassis that feels both modern and sturdy. The renewed quality ensures that, while it may not be brand new, it functions flawlessly and looks nearly pristine. The 27-inch Retina 5K display offers an impressive resolution of 5120 by 2880 pixels, delivering crisp and vibrant visuals that are perfect for everything from graphic design to casual movie watching. The colors are rich and true to life, thanks to its P3 wide color gamut and True Tone technology, which adjusts color temperature based on ambient lighting. Whether you're editing photos or enjoying a game, the clarity and detail are genuinely breathtaking. One of the standout features of this display is its tilt-adjustable stand, which allows you to find the perfect viewing angle easily. This ergonomic design adds to the overall user experience, eliminating any discomfort during extended use. The connectivity options are robust, including Thunderbolt 3 and USB-C ports, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. This versatility is particularly appealing for those who work in creative fields or require multiple connections for various peripherals. While purchasing a renewed model might come with some apprehension, my experience has shown this unit to be free of any noticeable flaws or performance issues. It operates as if it were brand new, which speaks volumes about the refurbishment process. Overall, the Apple 27 inches studio display is a worthy investment for anyone in need of a high-quality monitor. Its stunning visuals, ease of use, and elegant design make it an excellent choice for creative professionals and casual users alike. If you're in the market for a premium display, this renewed model offers an exceptional balance of quality and value.